Your attention, please. In the interest of aviation security, all passengers must control their bags.
It is extremely early on a Sunday morning. I have been up since about 3 a.m. Getting on a flight. Where could I be going this early in the morning?
Good morning, in Terminal Southwestern Flight 381 with services to Fort Myers, now boarding all zones, all roads.
All right, H7 is where we're at.
Services to Fort Myers.
Next
Now
stop,
boarding all zones, all roads through gate H4.
Las Vegas.
Gates are closing in less than 15 minutes.
Current time and conditions at the Minneapolis Airport. I was planning on just sleeping on the flight, but I broke down and bought some coffee. Still doesn't leave for another hour and a half. So some water, coffee. And we can just sit in this little area and charge our stuff. Next stop will be Vegas. Not a lot of people on this flight. And just like that, we're in Vegas. I was hoping the Sphere would be lit up a little bit, but it is not. Or it's too dim to see at this angle. But we will be heading over there. We're looking down onto Russell Road, which runs in right to the Strip. Maryland Parkway, which basically runs parallel to the Strip. Wouldn't mind just getting on Maryland Parkway. It's going to get up to the 80s today, but the rest of the trip will stay in the low 70s. So I'm kind of stoked about that. I brought a light hoodie. Tonight I plan on visiting the Sphere and then being downtown. I'll have a few videos lined up, but I'm going to do some family stuff while I'm here. Speaking of the Sphere, straight ahead. One thing I'm going to do while I'm here is actually go watch the Minnesota Vikings game with my brother Monday night.
Start it up.
ginger. Pop-up pizza. I do like their pizza. While I'm waiting for my brother, thought I'd have a little snack. The one on the bottom is a barbecue pizza. That's a specialty that they're doing today. And this is the Supreme. It's not bad. $12.99 with a water or a fountain soda. I chose the water, trying to stay away from some sugars. Good stuff. Usually is.
Start it up. Lit.
So it's kind of as I figured, a lot of people are just standing around staring up in the air. My ticket says Plaza Entry, so I'll head over around to the Plaza Entry. It's definitely more impressive farther away. Each one of those bulbs is like a pixel.
be up there? Wow.
We do have 4 other orbs that you can speak with as well further inside the HQ.
Okay, what is your question?
Show us something.
Can I dance? Well, only if everyone else dances with me. Here we go. Check out my move. I can see you and your very interesting, nice new t-shirt. Welcome to my home, Sphere. Unfortunately, I do not have a very nice singing voice. However, I can dance if you sing for me.
I asked, and she said there is some restaurant style food places on each floor. This is level 3. It's actually level 6, but this is our section 3 N4R. I did break down and get a hot dog just to try it. It was $8.
Taking on many forms.
Every form it could imagine itself to be. But life would not be contained there.
Life, a shapeshifter. And because we loved her, we wished to know her.